Wow, this looks amazing! Let's try it!
Yum!
Best cookies ever! Cooking is so much fun, especially with friends.
The sambar smells so good! And my chutney is super yummy. Let's eat!
Let's make the yummiest pizza ever!
With lots of cheese, please!
And we'll eat it with paneer too!
This pizza is so yummy!
Paneer and cheese, my favorite!
I'm glad you like it, kids.
Wow, this cheesy pizza is so yummy!
The best we've ever made!
You girls are wonderful little chefs! This paneer curry is so yummy!
Let's share it with everyone!
Okay, kids, let's taste the delicious vegetable biryani.
It's so yummy! We did a great job!
Wow, this looks so yummy!
Let's try it! Be careful, it's hot!